Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NOVN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day in this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward, and this is definitely a relatively tricky chart to talk about because, I mean, the price made a great move up, and then there's been a very big pullback, but it's not like it was a total crash, but it was still a really big pullback. So I can understand and totally, see why people would be like, I don't know, is this a good-looking chart? Is this a bad-looking chart? And to me, there's a single level out there that can really help kind of distinguish whether or not this is bullish or bearish going forward, and that's going to be this area right here at 48 cents. Now, how and why is 48 so important and helpful? Well, let's look at a couple scenarios. Let's look at one scenario where the price comes down here to 48, behaves in that manner, and then continues on down. What would you have at that point? Well, you would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was within this big range. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a bullish move, right? That would be known as bearish, right? Not a good movement. But also, to be fair, I mean, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price does come down here, but the difference being the price starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what a bullish move is going to do, right? Bullish price movements are going to make progress. So that's where the 48 cent mark is really coming into play. It's basically acting as a dictionary, meaning it's defining is the price, quote unquote, going back to where it was, that being bearish, or is the price, quote unquote, making progress, that being defined as bullish. So definitely keep a close eye on that. Now, if the price does try to work its way to the upside, key area of resistance to watch very closely going to be up there at the 54 cent mark. So we'll see what happens with it moving forward, but that 48 cent mark is definitely going to be very, very important. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.